Okay, so first of all, we need to open the backlink factory software and click on Google accounts as shown in the screenshot. Then in the next tab, you can see 3 arrow. Here you need to mention the email ID, the password which you want to add. If there is already anything written, you can override that with the new email ID and new password over those boxes. And then you can click on add new. In the next step, you don't have to type anything. A pop-up will happen. Pop-up will come and you don't have to type anything. Instead, the system will fill in automatically the email ID password and it will automatically proceed to the next step. If depending on your security settings, if you have an OTP requirement, you should be entering that. In my case, my server is in Germany, so that's why maybe some foreign language is there, not English there. But this step, if comes, you need to manually click on button once you enter the OTP if comes. If system asks you for any kind of permission you need to manually yes mark to all of them which it asks, so that the software can work properly. Then you click on next and submit whatever button is there, and then you have the list of 2 accounts. Earlier it was 1, now 2. That means your account is successfully added. Thank you.